Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave to the upper side. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into our minimum retracement area, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And for us to get the first confirmation that we are back in the formation of this wave 3, I'm watching for a break above the first wave of this Elliot wave structure right here at around the $0.04267 mark, and a break above that will trigger even higher prices to help us break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.04336 mark. And once we manage to break through that, then I'll be watching for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our target areas. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 down here within this blue target area, we started an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios within the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side, and I believe that is what is playing out here on the Gala Games chart, where you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we saw this Elliot wave structure in white, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.05105 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, managing to get into the minimum retracement area, which is highlighted here on the charts in white. And having bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of these wave 3s, I'm also expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of this wave 3. And you can now see that we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave, also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side, and sketching out a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04996 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And before we fully maximize our target areas, there are key moves that I'm watching over here, because they'll be giving us confirmations that whatever we are seeing is the start of that impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And the first one is a break above the first wave, which is right here at around the $0.4267 mark. The moment we manage to break above that, then watch for a retest, a break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.04336 mark, and watch out for a retest before we can fully maximize our target areas. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. So continue watching that key area of resistance and also the wave 1 high at around the $0.4267 mark. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 58 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.